And today I'm going to show you how to grow geraniums in a greenhouse. Now, a traditional greenhouse is a great item to have, but most people don't have a traditional greenhouse. So today what I'm going to show you is how to grow one in a self-made, very simple greenhouse. All right, a simple greenhouse can be made out of a plastic jug, much like this jug I have here. If it has any sugary substances or like milk in it, make sure that it's rinsed thoroughly. What you're going to do is you're just simply going to cut the bottom of this jug off, and the top part will create your greenhouse. Now, to use your homemade greenhouse, you simply slide it over your plant material and push it down a little bit to secure it if possible. Now here's another gardening tip. If you don't want to constantly come out every morning and open up your greenhouse like that, simply unscrew the lid. Now this is a great technique to use in the spring when you want to get your annuals out early, or your bedding plants, or even your vegetables. This simple greenhouse will do the trick.